morning, children. Now I am going to tell about the people. That is sixth lesson of 10th class social. The people means number of people living in a particular country. Maybe it may be India or Pakistan or China or Bangladesh or any country. So far in the world we have 202 countries are there in the world, and in that China is the country where it is standing first in the world in the case of population. So highest population in the world is China. The second highest population in the world is India with 123 crores 63 lakhs 44,631 as per the census of 2010. Now again a new census is going to be started in the year 2019 itself, so that we have to get the clear picture about the present census of the population, that is present population. Coming up to here, the people, in that we have population growth. Population growth means increase the number of people who inhabited a territory or a state. So population growth means increasing the population in a particular area, in a particular state. That we call it as a population growth. Sex ratio means number of people for every thousand males, number of female. That is the sex ratio. So India is declining every year in the case of sex ratio. Means female ratio year by year it is decreasing because of the wrong thinking, wrong mentality of the people of India when compared to the other countries of the world. So year by year, now for every 1,000 males, number of females is 910 females are there present in India. This is the Indian status. Next, coming up to population density. Population density means number of people living in that area. Means for every 100 square kilometers, for every 1 square kilometer, number of people living in that 1 square kilometer. So here when compared to the other countries, India is living approximately 430 people per square kilometer in India when compared to the other countries. In other countries it is below 100, but in India we have 430, as India is having less area and standing second place in the case of population. That is sex ratio. So it is the ratio of males to females in a population. Next, fertility rate. Fertility rate means it is a term used to refer to the capability of people in a given region to a given birth. Means fertility rate means, so it is a term used to refer the capability of people in a given regions to give birth. Means number of people living in that particular region, or how many children are born in a particular region, that we call it as a fertility rate. Infanticide means in India it is having a bigger role in decreasing the female population. That is killing of an infant. Means in the mother's womb itself they are detecting whether it is a female or a male. Based on that, if there is a female in the mother's womb, then they are killing that female in the mother's womb itself directly. That we call it as infanticide. Census means population calculated for every 10 years. That we call it as a census. As per the census of 2010, India's population is 123 crores. 123 crores 63 lakhs 44,631 is the population of India as per the census of 2010. Next, if we see the literacy rate of India, if we see the literacy rate of some countries like India, Bangladesh, Indonesia, Norway, Sri Lanka, England and South Africa, see the India's literacy rate is, literacy rate means how many people are educated or how many people are going to school and colleges. If you see that the literacy rate of India after independence, present position, before independence it was below 40%, but present position of India's literacy rate is 74%. And in that, we have a huge gender differences in India, that is between the male and the female. The parents are thinking, or having a wrong thinking that females are sent to the bride's house. That is, so male literacy rate is 82% and female literacy rate is 65%. And in Bangladesh, if it is in Bangladesh, the literacy rate of Bangladesh is 57%. And in that, if it is a male ratio and female ratio, 62% in the case of male and 53. See the countries like Norway, we have 100% literacy rate, and the 100% male literacy rate and female literacy rate is also 100%. If you see the country like England, it is also having 100% literacy rate in the case of both male and female, and 100% literacy rate is seen in that country. Now the country like Indonesia, Sri Lanka, South Africa, and many countries are there whose literacy rate is more than 90%. More than 90% means, so where the literacy rate is high, there the development is very fast. If the literacy rate is low, then we can see the less development, lesser. Yes. What is the influence on the society when female percentage decreases in the ratio? So what is the influence in the society when the female percentage of the population decreases in the society? Many problems we come across. That is marriage related problems, crime related to sexual assault increases. Then if the if female population reduces or decreases, then what are the problems we face in India? Many problems we face in India. Among them, I list out some problems. What are the problems facing by India if the female population decreases in India? Among them, first problem we come across is marriage related problems. So marriage related problems will arise. Means here for every 1,000 male, only 910 female.